Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke was a pioneering scientist of the 17th century who made significant contributions to various fields, including biology, physics, and astronomy. 1. Microscopy and the discovery of cells. Micrographia, Hooke's most famous work, where he detailed his observations made with a microscope. It was in this book that he coined the term cell to describe the basic unit of life. While observing a slice of cork, he noted that it was composed of tiny hollow structures, which he called cells because they reminded him of the cells inhabited by monks. 2. Hooke's law. Elasticity. In physics, Hooke formulated Hooke's law, which states that the force needed to extend or compress a spring by some distance is proportional to that distance. This law laid the groundwork for the study of elasticity in materials science. 3. Astronomy. Observations and theories. Hooke made several observations and had theories related to planetary motion and gravitation. He suggested that the motion of the planets could be explained by a force of attraction towards the sun, contributing to the later development of gravitational theory by Isaac Newton. 4. Other contributions. Mechanics and inventions. Hooke was an ingenious inventor and designed numerous scientific instruments, including the balance spring used in watches. He also worked on the early development of the air pump and improved the design of the barometer. 5. Philosophical transactions. Scientific communication. Hooke was a founding member of the Royal Society, and he contributed extensively to its early journal, the Philosophical Transactions. His work helped establish the importance of peer-reviewed publication in the scientific process. In summary, Robert Hooke's contributions to science are manifold. His pioneering work in microscopy led to the discovery of the cell, a fundamental concept in biology. His research in elasticity and mechanics provided essential insights that are still relevant today. Hooke's interdisciplinary approach and his role in scientific communication underscore his importance in the history of science.